non, gros. Oh. Oh.
¿Qué está pasando? Alista, escucha, alista, ¿qué está pasando? ¿Qué pasó? Sí, vámonos ya.
Hero Bystander tackles armed gunman at Bondi Beach, wresting the shotgun from his hands as chaos erupts. Crowds flee in panic, but one courageous civilian briefly halts the attack, a rare act of bravery amid terror.
Hyper courageux.
10 people are dead, including one of the attackers, as the mass shooting rocks a Hanukkah celebration. Families and children were caught in the crossfire. Panic spread across the beach as gunfire tore through what should have been a safe community gathering. Authorities confirm the attack occurred during a Jewish festival, highlighting the global rise in anti-Semitism since the October 7th massacre in Israel. This is not random violence. It is part of a disturbing trend targeting Jewish communities worldwide. Distressing footage shows parents shielding children, victims lying on the sand receiving first aid, and first responders performing CPR. Shotgun shells littered the area as terrified crowds scrambled for safety. New South Wales Police launched a rapid armed operation. Within minutes, the shooters were neutralized and taken into custody. Emergency resources, including helicopters, swarmed the scene as officials secured the area. 11 people are wounded, including 2 police officers. Ambulances transported 13 patients to hospital, while dozens more received treatment on site. Authorities are urging calm as investigations continue. The attack has shocked Australia and reignited fears over anti-Semitic violence. Community leaders call for increased security at religious and cultural events, warning that hatred inspired by global conflicts can quickly spill into local tragedies.
Oh l'enculé, il a pris des énormes.